Good morning everyone kan tidon mi. Good morning ni cha to lo a. Tlai lampang ani to a dar som pani le chan ve be to. Ma se ke po kala thau ve deu cha kala dhian kala in neng lo lo a. Kala in sam lo a. Leng va khan in min lo chang let le a. Chu wang chang let le angai ka tia. Advocate cybercrime police mail chat po nei rom te ni e min chan don lo. Ati ka lom min chan don lo isai chu ma se danangin ro wan re lang nam iti ming cha ram iti ming cha mizo te hi inzuar ang leka min chua itia mizo te hi inzuar ang leka ka chua ni lovin min chua zo ka ni chu mo ke ma kha min chua zo ka chu wangin lawin zuar po ni ta te rengilam nanga chom hlom kha ka ni lawa dro nanga chom hlom le nanga enkol seilen ka ni lawa ma se idu chan FIR tu lo thelut la ka thelut ve ang mo kan thelut dun ve ang achan tu ke chu mere thei ka ni hi mere thei ei tur po nei lo ni tin in da chopat na thok ngai ka ni mo ma se mi poi ka soi lo mi poi sa ka rulawa mi tho chwa sa ka dil ngai lo chu wangin ilo eng lo don na I ka struggle chuan mizoram chunga mizo meicha lekha thiam tak tak te mi smart tak tak international level khoba mi smart le mi fing te ponom ka ngai sang em chu ma se wangai sang viau mai la kha kha zia nei chang lo chu wangin ka meicha pui ka din hun anga ding ve te tan platform omani ti ka lo soi chak mai ani min ra be na min abuse na mo KS te khatiang min abuse na le min harassment na kha stop kati mo stop bro kati na me ani ke chuan kalo soi lo lo ang chu wangin ka du bik leinem ka du dan te chuanin officer me cha te pon ni ila lekha thiam tak te ni ila kan du ve thawlom ma se mi zong government na kan thok thelo wa mi zong in government na kan thok thelo chuanin mi zong in sarkar na kan thok thelo mi zong in na tha kan thok thelo kan zirna level a zirte ani ve chu wangin khovela hian nung ho za tur kan ni zoka in abuse tur le in musit in harass tur hi kanom lo chu ka lo soi dua ka mei che pui ke ma anga musit na tok te in lo om ve chuan in zuar du lo ani chuan phaira ma hian lo kalula him takin kanin zuar thei ka ti mo ani chuan mei che dang hi comment na de che tak takin in tingam angem in tingam ho lawang tiro chu ka lo soi du ve mei zo ga ni chu adik cybercrime le police officer me rat kan min chan don lo min chan na chan tu rom lo anni po dan hnuaian na thokani anya I sarkar danin na asyama chumi dana chuan action an la mei don ni ma se tu society ma racism so ke abuse lo I am not abused from any religions any cultures. Who am I? I don't have right to abuse them. I am the poor people. I am uneducated people. I don't have right to abuse them. But I shout out those who have suffered, those who facing the abusing in the sexuality and behavior in a woman's in the girl's life. So I show them the right part. I show them the good way only. I show them the good way. Those who has suffered from this way. For example, when you are working in your duty time or someplace, some boys will touch your boobs or some boys will harass you, abuse you from sexuality, and after they blame you like a prostitute. So you don't want. You are facing. So after becoming in the public place and society, they call you like a prostitute. So you don't have a platform. You are jobless. You are becoming a jobless. People will unrespecting you everywhere in the corner. So they leave you like from a die. So you don't have a platform from any help. About this thing, you have a helpline from women in the central Indian. So don't be a sufferer. I just shout out that things, okay? If Langvak official channel from YouTube, if you don't know what is my point exactly, so please don't run too much. Don't run too much about what I am talking about, okay? That's it. In lo shat thiam karing Zuwa kasoi mayani. I don't abuse any religion. I don't abuse any tribes. I don't have right to abuse them. I am a poor. I am a single woman. I don't have a weapon. I don't have anything. I'm alone. That's it. I wear the t-shirt. I wear the one pant. I wear underwear. I wear the bra. That's it. I don't have a weapon. So, I am not a danger. But I shout out those who have facing about this thing happen only. Okay, so thank yous for everyone, those who watching my video. Please share, comment, and please feed me back. Thank you. Have a nice day.